Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. Spotted this one. Timber kits are usually good brand. Moving postcard. Tudor tournament. Build your own moving mechanical model. Fun for ages 9 to 90. Yeah, I fit in there. £1.99. I did have a quick peek in the charity shop. I think that means all those bits are there because they're sort of stuck in place. That's for measuring the lengths of the rods, which will be in there. And that looks like that's unopened. Here's our instruction booklet. (2014), 10 years old, potentially. I was just noticing that the staples are rusty. So it looks like this may well have been in somebody's drawer, never done, for a long time. Tape measure, rubber bands, bit of card, bit of wax for waxing the joins and the pivots. That's still taped together. Another bit of card, and that's white glue. Ooh, which looks like it might still possibly work. Possibly. Well, I don't know. But I've usually got some white glue available, proper wood glue. Yeah, that looks like that might be complete. So we'll put that in stock. I won't do it just now. But yeah, I like that. I don't think I've come across one of their kits where they've done that before. Yeah, okay, so that's today's charity shop find. There will be a link to a playlist. I'm not sure if I've got a timber kits playlist. I've certainly got a playlist with lots of timber kit projects in it. I think it's my wooden automata playlist. So have a look in the video description, there'll be a link. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.